Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make these super quick potato and parsnip pakoras. Really tasty, great for a snack. So our ingredients are parsnips, we've got some peeled potatoes, some plain flour, an onion and some egg and some salt to season. You can add chili or chili powder in there if you want it a bit spicy, but I normally make a chutney to go with it. So first we want to kind of grate our potato, and we want to do the same with our parsnip as well. So the reason why we grate it is so that everything can cook really quickly, because we're going to fry it all, and it just it's better rather than having it in chunks or chopping it and things like this for this recipe anyway. You probably have heard of onion pakoras. You've tried them before. So we kind of grate the onion as well, so it's all finely grated together. So we do that with the parsnip and the onion and mix it all together in a bowl. And I chose parsnips because it's really seasonal at the moment. We're coming up to Christmas, it's a bit festive, and it really adds a bit of a sweetness to the pakoras as well. It's super delicious when it's fried, and the potato and parsnip go really well. So this is a great kind of snack for, say, maybe even around Christmas time or New Year's, and you want to make some snacks for people, if you've got people coming over. So yeah, it's great, and you can serve it with a chutney. A tomato chutney would go really nicely with this, or maybe even a herby one as well, like a little something with a little bit of chili, which would go perfect with it. So I've grated everything. I'm just going to add in an egg, because the egg helps to kind of bind all the ingredients together, which is what we want, so nothing falls apart when we fry it. Bit of seasoning, so some salt and some pepper would be great, or even at this point, if you wanted to add chili flakes or any other kind of herbs, you can do it at this point. Bit of cumin maybe as well if you wanted to. So we add some flour. I've just used normal plain flour to help bind everything together. So the egg and the flour just kind of binds it all, so when we fry it, they don't kind of split apart and fall apart to pieces. So what we're going to do is just mix that all together in a bowl, and then see if I've got a bit of leftover masala that I had with cumin and coriander in there, just to add a bit more flavour. So you can just sprinkle that or chili flakes at this point anyway before we fry. And so we want to fry into some vegetable oil. So I've just done some vegetable oil, and literally a tablespoon at a time. Fry it into the oil, and I say give it about a couple of minutes or so till it's golden brown. So I use a fork just to flip it over every now and then, just to make sure it's getting even colouring around, so it's like a golden brown flavour colour. So just use the fork like that, and then these should be done in about 4 or 5 minutes or so. And you want to kind of fry them in batches, so don't overcrowd your pan, because then this will decrease the temperature of the oil as well. So kind of I did about 3 or 4 at a time, and then just literally let them kind of drain on the excess oil on some kitchen paper, and then they should be ready to eat. Super tasty, get some chutneys going, and a great festive recipe for you to try. Thanks guys, bye.